How to make a transparent watermark on Capcut. Open the Capcut app. Click on New Project. Select the photo of the green screen. Click on Add. Delete the ending. Also, you can extend the duration of photo. Click on Text. Add text. Write your text. Now click on Style. Choose the style you want. Choose the white color for text. Make the opacity 0. Now go to Shadow. Choose black color and make the opacity 8. Click on tick mark. Now click on Export. When done, go to New Project again. Select the video and add it. Click on Overlay. Add overlay. Select the previous made title picture. You can see both of them on screen. Just click on Remove Background. Click on Chroma key. Choose the point to put the text. And make the intensity to 20. Now put the text anywhere you want. You can see the green screen disappeared. You can see only title watermark on the video. That is how you can create a transparent watermark on video in Capcut. Click on Export. That's all from today. If you really enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss an upload.